Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have 3 quick budget-friendly DIYs for you, and most of the stuff is from Dollar Tree. So first I have this little hat that I've seen a ton of people doing DIYs with, and like mostly everybody else, I'm going to be making a basket. So I'm taking this basket that I picked up at Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just going to weave it through, in and out of each of the squares. The only thing is, with this hat, it's really easy to take apart, but there's like little kind of like fishing wire, and a lot of times it gets caught up in the basket. If the basket's plastic, it gets caught up in the sides. So what I do is just cut it off. As it unravels, I just cut it right off. You could see it right there if you look closely. See where my hand is? You could see the wire. Anyway, this is a really easy project. It does take a few minutes because you got to weave it in and out. But I love how it turns out. And you can use this for just about anything. You can use it in the bathroom, in the kitchen. It's so easy and it's so inexpensive. You could even use it under the sink. It's adorable. Anyway, I just keep going in and out, in and out. And then after I go the one way, after I go this way, I turn it around and start going the other way. And here's my completed basket. I just used hot glue to glue the ends. Next is a sign. I bought these flour sacks at Walmart. They were like $2 for 2 big pieces. I got this, what do you call it? You know, the ring. I can't think of the name of it. Anyway, and I just cut the flour sack to size, and I put it in the ring. I saw this on Pinterest. It's Pinterest inspired, and I just really liked it. It's got the boho design to it, and I love boho. My house is mostly farmhouse, but I love the boho decor. So most of the time I make this stuff and I give it to my daughter. I kind of just been wanting to make whatever I see that I like. And I say, hey, I could probably make that. I just make it. There's no rhyme or reason to it. I just feel like I love crafting. So I just put the ring on. I think everybody knows pretty much how to do this. And then I'm going to take a Sharpie and just look on my Pinterest page and kind of copy the design. And you can pretty much do it freehand. It's just a bunch of lines and dots. I mean, you could use a ruler if you wanted to, because I just noticed it's kind of off, but that's okay. I like how it turned out. I'm happy with it. You'll have to excuse how I look. I try not to show myself, but sometimes it's inevitable. I'm in the process of getting some new equipment. I just haven't decided what to get. If anybody has any suggestions, I'm debating on whether I should get a desktop or a laptop, whether I should get a Mac or what I should get. My son is kind of helping me because he's in that business. But if anybody has any suggestions or opinions, please leave it in the comments. Please, please, please. I need help because I can't decide. I can't decide what to get. I have a nice camera, and right now I'm working with an iPad. Here's my project. It's all right. I should have used a ruler. Now I'm just taking this old Valentine sign, and I'm just gonna make a sign. I've been into inspiring quotations lately that I can hang in my craft room, just to inspire me, to make me feel better. So I've been just looking them up, and I've been wanting to make signs. So this is just an old leftover jar of plaster paint from Waverly. I love Waverly paint, but I'm trying to get the last drops out of this jar. You can see I have a brand new jar right over there, but I'm trying not to waste the little bit that I have left in this jar. So I just paint this sign, and it does use 2 coats. Anyway, I do have a nice camera, and I'm working with an iPad right now, so there's no way to transfer my videos off the camera to the iPad. So I have to use the iPad for filming, and I'm cropping it up with a candle, with a shoe, whatever I can. I mean, I look like an idiot. I just want to use my tripod with my nice camera, but I need a computer to put it on. So please help me, guys, if you have any ideas. So right now, I used my Silhouette Cameo to cut my saying, and you see here, as soon as I get it off, comes off pretty easily. I do mess up the O. I didn't notice until I was almost done. It just says, just don't give up. I forget what it says. Hold on. So this plaque here says, just don't give up on trying to do what you want to do. I really like that. You know, no matter what, just keep trying till you get it. And actually, that's like a crafter's motto, because even with mistakes or whatever, you just keep trying. And you could see in the word you that when I pulled my transfer tape up, it pulled the wrong part of the O. But you know what? Exactly what I just said. I just left it. See it right there? Whatever. It's okay. Anyway, so that's my video, guys. I hope you liked it. Short but sweet. And right now, I'm just fiddling around trying to find the O, but then I'm like, forget it. It's okay. I put it on the piece, the plaque, and that's that. I add a little bow to it because I thought it looked a little plain. And here's what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 600. I know that's not a lot, but I took a little break and I've been a little slow. So hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you can see more. Thanks, guys.